So I'm Tracy Brannock. I've been the Programme Manager for How You Doing, Sit My Mind, which has been an artist wellbeing programme that we've run across Wales since autumn, or sort of October 2021. And we're just coming to the end of this first phase, this pilot project, and beginning to reflect on what we've learned and the experiences that artists have had in taking part in it.
I have discovered that there is a lot more shared thinking and empathy and love and respect and fear and a huge amount of emotion amongst creatives and artists at the minute, and actually that unity that this type of project has offered has increased people's ability to cope and explore ways of developing themselves and the network of artists and creatives that exist in Wales.
I've been lucky enough to facilitate some of the reflective practice sessions with Woohoon. It was an opportunity really for me to think about my practice and to create and hold a space for other artists to come together and to just be in that moment. Thank you, Woohoon, for doing this, and it's really, really needed for us all, not just as artists, but as humans, to reflect on our life, on our struggles, and to share our stories, and to just be there for each other, and to look at our story.
It's been a joy to be part of this project, to have this day-to-day with artists here, and to feel really looked after. And from my perspective, leading a part of this work, part of the reflective practice for artists, we need opportunities to replenish ourselves and yeah, just to have a bit of space. So for me, the title of this project, How Are You Doing, was just totally inspired.
How wonderful it is to be with other people in this space. And it's been such a long time since we've actually been able to be together in person in such close proximity, so just feels like we're catching up, but it also feels like we're trying to discover new things. So I've been having lots of conversations through Creative Being, exploring this idea around what we need right now.
That was beautiful. Like, it's probably, I don't know, so far one of the most relaxed feelings I've had whilst facilitating, because everybody was so, just open and grateful.
I think we needed this as much as the other artists did. It was kind of like we were feeding each other this experience and just winding down.
Sometimes as artists, when we facilitate things for other people, we forget to include ourselves. So today I've been reminding myself that, how do I include myself within this practice? What are the well-being impacts on me from gathering with other creative people, undertaking creative experiences? I just feel really grounded. I feel really happy and very calm and open. I feel a real sense of openness. And really glad to have been part of this programme, and I hope we'll have more.